how to load, modify, and save a DOCX file using C# and a .NET Word API. Document Solutions for Word is a .NET API that offers a rich and comprehensive object model based on the Microsoft Office API, Word JavaScript API, and OpenXML SDK for programmatically generating Microsoft Word documents within .NET applications. In this guide, we'll walk through how to load an existing Word document in a .NET app, modify its contents, and save an updated DOCX file using a .NET API. To start, open Visual Studio 2022 and create a .NET 8 console application. Then install the ds.documents.word package using the NuGet package manager. Check to ensure the package is now included in your project in the Dependencies Packages folder. Once installed, add the required namespace to program.cs and initialize the .NET Word document object. Next, load an existing DOCX file into the application using the .NET API's load method. To update an image within a shape, use the image fill property and the setImage method to replace it with a new one. Next, let's update dynamic content. In this example, we use a regular expression to find and replace the house price. First, we will enable regex matching with find replace options, then use replace to find any dollar amount and update it. Let's add a hyperlink to the file. Next, we will clear the existing text using the delete method. Then use the hyperlink class to create a clickable link pointing to example.com with the text, "Click to go to website." Finally, save the updated DOCX file using the save method. Run your project, and that's it. With just a few lines of code, you've successfully loaded an existing DOCX file, updated images, replaced text using regex, added a hyperlink, and saved the modified document programmatically using C# and a .NET Word API. Want to learn more about this and our other Document API products? Visit developer.messius.com/document-solutions/.net-word-API to discover endless possibilities for your document automation and workflows.